Things you'll need: measuring cups and spoons, glue, bowl, baking soda, and contact solution. Pour a 1/4 cup of glue into a bowl. Next, pour in 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Now, mix it together. After mixing, now add 3/4 teaspoon of contact solution. Continue mixing until it thickens. As you mix, you'll notice the consistency begins to change quickly and the mixture starts to thicken. Once the slime comes together, your slime can be kneaded and played with. And that's how you make slime. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.